It's fine. It'll be easier that way.
ఆశ
Addressing
పెట్టినట్టే
everybody.
ఆశ పెట్టినట్టే పెట్టింది 10ంటికల్లా ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిపోతాను అనుకున్నా.
No, what you can expect is a beautiful love story. It is definitely a new kind of love story that I don't think any cinema has explored in such a way, the way Mani sir has written it, the way Karthik sir has explored it, and the way me and Ravi Teja sir, to our best capabilities, have tried to express it. And I hope I have done justice to Rachna, because she's a very, very beautifully thought and written character. And I think I am very, very blessed to have gotten this opportunity to be able to play such a beautifully written character, and I'm very, very, very overwhelmed and grateful that I got to do this right next to Ravi sir. Because not only everybody knows of his talent, but nobody knows what a beautiful and amazing personality he has. Thank you for everything that you did for me on screen and off screen. I am so, so, so blessed to have made your acquaintance in even the smallest way. Your advices, everything you tell me, your jokes or anything, it really, really means a lot to me. And I'm very overwhelmed with the fact that, we are in almost the ending of promotions, and now Eagle is releasing on 9th Feb. And you all are going to witness this magic that we all created together with our talent. And also, I think for the ladies, you all can expect amazing, amazing saris that was presented by Rekha. She did a phenomenal job with all my costumes. Rekha, thank you so much for being there and making me look beautiful. And also I want to give special thanks to Vishwa Prasad Garu and Vivek sir, because you presented me with this opportunity and you thought I could do justice to this. So thank you so much. I hope to work a lot with People Media Factory, because it was a pleasant journey for me. Thank you, Karthik sir, for everything. I mean, there is nothing that I can leave out at this point. I made some amazing friends, and thank you. I'm just very overwhelmed. And thank you, the fans, for giving us so much love and support, to the media. Thank you so much. Please watch this Eagle soar to the heights of success on 9th Feb in theaters near you. I love you all.
లవ్ యూ టూ కావ్య, లవ్ యూ టూ. అందమైన కావ్యంలో ఉండేటువంటి ఈ కావ్య ఫిబ్రవరి 9వ తారీఖున మనం థియేటర్లో కలుద్దాము ఫర్ ఈగల్. ఐల్ సీ యూ ఇన్ థియేటర్స్ వెరీ సూన్. అంతే, అదే చెప్పాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఇన్ని బరువు బాధ్యతలమ్మా నీకు జీవితంలో. పెళ్ళై 2 పిల్లలు పుట్టిన తర్వాత నాకు వచ్చింది, నీకు ఇప్పుడే వచ్చేసింది ఇన్ని బరువు బాధ్యతలు.